Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see about the interface of the Scratch programming language. So these are the code blocks of Scratch. Motion. So motion is the block that control the movement of the sprite, like move forward, move backward, move around, turn back, change the XY position of the sprite. So let's see the demo. Move 10 steps. So when we click this, the sprite will move 10 steps. Next is looks. These blocks help the user to change the appearance of the sprite. So like if we want to change the costume of the sprite, if we click on this, it will change to costume 1. If we want to change it to costume 2, like this. Same way we can use these all blocks. Sound. These blocks help us to add sounds in our project, like play meow sound for cat. Next is events. These blocks help to trigger the action when flag is clicked, then this action will be done. So flag, this is the flag. If we click on this, then this code will run and action will be done. Let's see. Okay, now control statements. These blocks help to control the code with conditions and the loops. So let's see. If you want to repeat this 10 times, so this repeat action will repeat the sound 10 times. Sensing. These blocks help the sprite to detect the things and work accordingly. This code will check If the space key is pressed, then and only then play the meow sound. So when I press the space key, it will check if the key pressed is space, then and only then play the sound. Okay. Now operators. These blocks helps to do the mathematical and logical operations. So it will do the addition of these 2 plus 2 and display it for 2 seconds. Now variables. Variables allow to store their values dynamically. That we will see later on. My blocks my block will allows user to customize code according to their requirements. And here these are the extensions. We can add any extension in our project. These are the music extension, pen, video sensing, text to speech. All these extensions we can add in our project. Now these all are code blocks. These are the costumes. Here is the costume 1 and costume 2. We can also change the costumes, like we can draw circle here, we can draw square, rectangle here, we can also draw line, we can write the text also here. We can fill again circle, rectangle, we can also erase this, we can use brush also, we can select any part, delete it, we can also reshape like this. These are the sounds of the sprite. We can also change them, set them slower, louder, softer, all these sounds. Now this is called the script area, code area, and this is the sprite. This is called the sprite. We can also add sprite from here. These are all the sprite categories. We can paint the sprite also. like this. We can delete a sprite from here. This is the surprise sprite given by Scratch. We can upload sprite also. If we have a file, we did the coding using the offline version, we can also add sprite, upload the sprite. This area is called stage. We can change the stage backdrop. These are also the categories of the background. We can also paint our own background also, same as sprite. This is also the surprise backdrop given by the Scratch. We can also upload backdrop from the computer. This will show the full screen of the result. Zoom in, zoom out. This is the stop button. This is the play button. So guys, that is much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.